Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to register on this Frostbite. Guys, this Frostbite is actually the first project to build on ICE network. So, as you're watching this video now, don't miss it. Just register, follow my steps, and you get it right. Okay? Okay, guys. First of all, you need to download this VPN. You need to download the VPN. But if you have a VPN in your phone already, you don't need to download a new VPN. So you go to your Play Store and download this Thunder VPN. As you can see, it's here, Thunder VPN. You click on it. As you can see, I've already installed it. So once you open it, you click on connect. Click on connect, then it's connected. So if you click on it, you disconnect. So make sure that after you finish this registration, you disconnect it. Don't use it and enter any of your exchange. Don't leave it on and be using it to do other things. If you leave it on and enter any of your centralized exchange or Twitter, they're going to suspend you or something like that. So after downloading, then after turning it on, then you continue with your registration. I noticed that some people have been trying to register on it, but it's not going. So I just found a new method where you can register and they will send you code so easily. Because if you are using Gmail, they will not send you code. So I'll be showing you how to register and start participating. Let's go. The first thing you need to do is for you to go to your Play Store and download this app called Proton Mail. So Proton Mail, you can see it here. I've already downloaded it. Once you download it, you open it, then you create an account. This is the email you'll be using to create that Frostbite. So you click on create account, then you type in your name, the username. So you click on this domain. You can use this at proton.me or you change it to at protonmail.com. So I'll be using this one. Then you click on next. You put in your password. So after you must have input your password, you click on next. So you input your recovery email. You can put your Gmail here as recovery email. So you click on next. You can use phone number if you want. So you click on next. Okay, they say you should solve this reCAPTCHA. So I'm going to solve this reCAPTCHA. You drag it here. You click on next. Okay guys, in case you failed the reCAPTCHA, use the email verification beside the reCAPTCHA. Then you get the code on your email, then you continue, then you get it right. So after you must have seen congratulations, you click on start using Proton Mail. So as you can see, this is your inbox. This is your inbox. If they send you message, you're going to get it here. So once you're done creating the email, you're going to use the email that you created here and open a Frostbite account. If you click on this horizontal line, you're going to see your email. See my own email here. Or you can click on this, your message, this message. You can click on this message. You click on this drop down arrow to copy your email. You copy address. You now go to that your email. that app to go and copy the code. You go there and check if they have sent you a code. As you can see, they have sent me a code. Then you copy it. You paste, then you continue. Okay guys, so I say, are you ready? Enter your referral code and get $5 right now. So I'm going to enter my code below this, but I'm going to paste the code below this video. I'm going to enter the code here. So I'm going to paste the code of the person that referred me here. So once you get here, you copy the code. I'm going to drop divaboss. I'm going to drop it below this video, then you paste it here. So after you enter the code, you click on verify. I have received $5 as welcome bonus. So if you didn't use code, you're not going to receive any $5 for welcome bonus. So you click on next. Then you enter your nickname. You verify. Then you click on finish. Welcome reward times 3,000 of the token. So you click on complete. Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe now, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified.